Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Tyanna and welcome. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to play Uncle Iroh's song Leaves from the Vine, and this song really just like hits my heart so much because when I watched that episode I realized that, you know, he was singing this because of his son when he was singing it to the little village boy. But then later on that day I found out that they played this song to remember the original voice actor of Uncle Iroh, so that really hit me extra. And then I was starting to sing it a lot and then learn how to play on the uke, so thought I'd teach you guys today. So as always, if you want to see more uke tutorials from me, please give this a thumbs up. If you have anything to say, because I'm all ears, then please comment below. And yeah, if you like me, then subscribe, because that'll make my day. Yeah, like always we will start with the chords because that's what I do here. And yeah, so we will in total only use 3 of them. So the first chord I have for you guys is A. It's like this. We have another one called the B flat minor, and it goes like this. The last chord that is used is D, and it looks like this. Okay, cool. So after you've learned those 3 chords, we'll get right into it. And the way that I like to start it is by picking the melody, then I play the chords while singing the song, and then at the end we pick it one more time. So that's just what's gonna happen. So the first picking part goes like this. Okay, so after learning that introduction, I'm going to be doing the strumming pattern and the chords for the singing verse. And so here it goes. And for that, I am definitely using my finger because it's not really an upbeat song, it's more of a sad song, and so I feel like using your thumb to strum it instead of your nails will probably give it more of like a softer tone and emulate how the song is portrayed. So now we'll go over the chords for the singing verse. Leaves from the vine, falling so slow, like fragile tiny shells, drifting in foam. Little soldier boy, come marching home, like brave soldier boy, come marching home. So after doing that singing verse, I like to do the plucking that we did in the introduction, but just a little more slower since this is like the outro and it's a really sad song. So I'll go something like this. Alright, awesome! So then after you learn those, we'll just play the whole thing together. Okay. So congratulations, you learned how to play Uncle Iroh's Leaves from the Vine song, and I hope that you like this video and I've learned it and you like it, and yeah. So until next time guys,